Hey, good morning, everybody. You look sleepy.
No, the sun is in my face.
Well,
Or maybe
I got you covered.
sleepy.
How's that? Good morning. Today we have 16 miles, 4,000 feet of ascent, and McAfee Knob,
Yay.
the most photographed spot on the whole AT.
And then Tinkers, whatever.
Yes, right. Despite what Mr. Goose said last night.
Sorry.
We do have Tinker Cliffs today, too.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to be a lovely campsite. And it's going to be Yaya's first day in full hiker regalia.
Yeah.
So.
And there's a sleeping pad and all.
Whole thing.
The whole thing.
It's a big day.
Yeah. It's going to be a good day.
It's going to be great.
It's beautiful out. Yeah.
All right. Well,
And there's chickens everywhere.
there are, and they're very cute.
And guineas.
And guinea hens. All right,
Okay,
let's get
we're
going.
I was trying to see the trail.
Oh, ahead of you?
Here, like,
Up we go to McAfee Knob. About 4 miles to go. Oh. Hello, little buddy. Hello.
There's a frog.
Okay, we're getting close, like half a mile. You excited, babe?
Yeah.
Yay, so close.
Did it.
Hooray, we made it!
Yay.
It's the famous McAfee Knob. We're gonna have a photo shoot now. We're gonna look so glamorous.
Wait.
What's your pose, Alice?
Around this.
Ooh. Yaya, what's yours?
Oh, I'm just glad I didn't fall off.
Yeah.
We're good.
She's kidding. She's got a great pose. It's
Yeah.
like this.
Yes. That's your pose.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is really exciting, and it's a beautiful day. It's perfect.
Yep.
Couldn't ask for better.
Gorgina.
Gorgina.
We did 10 miles.
Yep.
10 miles.
Yeah.
6 dogs.
6, yeah.
Saw some
Yeah.
deer and a frog.
Oh yeah, deer. We
Yeah.
saw deer.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
we
been a
had a
good
good
day so
day.
far.
Been awesome.
And now our bellies are full, so we can hike the rest of the 6 miles.
That's right.
Easy. Downhill.
Easy.
Soft.
So good.
It might be a little uphill.
It is
Yeah.
a little uphill. I didn't want to
told
break
me
the
that.
news.
We're not going to
Yeah.
tell her that.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool. All right, we got more
Okay.
people coming, so we gotta do our photo shoot.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
You do or you don't?
Here's the Campbell shelter. Nice little quiet shelter. It's got maybe room for 6 people. A cool camp spot. And someone even has a fire ready to go. Tinker Cliffs, our Triple Crown. All right, we're doing the Triple Crown quiz. What was your favorite of the 3 Triple Crowns?
That's not a quiz, that's a survey.
Yeah.
All right, survey. Excuse me.
I thought we were gonna have to name them all.
Name the 3 crowns.
Okay.
Maybe
The-
that's theirs.
The Dragon's Tooth.
Dragon's Tooth is very cool.
Yeah, mine's also dragon tooth.
Dragon's Tooth.
Yeah,
Okay.
there's just something about it.
There's something that can't be described.
Yeah.
What the French would say, a certain je ne sais quoi.
Sure. I liked McAfee today.
Yeah.
McAfee?
McAfee?
I don't know how you say it. I don't know how you pronounce it.
I think it's McAfee.
What about you?
I,
Ben, film yourself.
well, I really like this view. I think I'm going to go with McAfee. So we're split. We split the room.
Down the middle.
All right, we found a snake. How big are you? Oh, you're big. All right, we're gonna try to get it to move here. Hey, good evening, everybody. We're in the spotlight, in Spruce's spotlight, so thank you. There he is.
Yaya's
Oh,
in
and
the back.
Yaya with the red. So feels like we're on stage.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should do a dance. Yeah, we had a great day. We did 2 more crowns, and Tinker Cliffs got even better. Like it just kept going, and
Yeah.
Tinker Cliffs might be my favorite crown now.
Yay.
Yeah, yay! Not for you, apparently.
It's not my favorite, but it was cool.
Okay, hold on. The smoke's getting us here from the fire.
It's getting me because
Okay,
it goes to the beauty.
To beauty, smoke follows
Not
beauty.
Ben. It's right around him.
So mean. See, everybody, this is what I had to grow up with. It was a hard childhood for me.
So hard.
Yeah, I was always so nice to Alice, and she was so mean.
No. I know you're not buying any of this, right?
Tomorrow we've got a 9-mile day, short day hiking into town, and then we're getting Subway.
Subway, number 1 on the list. You should get Subway too, and let us know what you get.
That's right.
Drop it in the comments. Maybe I'll try your sandwich.
Alice wants to know what your sandwiches are. Let us know.
Ben will try them.
Yeah, I probably will. I like
I will
almost
stick
every...
with my veggie, but Ben will try
I'll
one
try
of them.
I'll try one of them. I'll pick one at random to make it a weird one.
Yes, veggie. Team
Yeah.
veggie.
All right. Well, another great day. We finished all the Triple Crowns. So excited. Thank you all so much. Hike on, happy hikers. Good night.
Good night.